Hey guys, welcome to Sew with Pepper. On this video, I'll be teaching you how I transformed this gown to this trending gown you are seeing here in less than 10 minutes. So if this is something you might want to watch, stick with me through this video. So first off, I went ahead now to remove the sleeve, and I'll be removing the sleeve from the two sides. And after that, I measured from my shoulder to 6 inches, but I did not cut exactly 6 inches. I cut 5.5 inches so that the half inches will be the joining. And then I folded the dress into two. As you can see, the front and the back are together, so I folded them into two, and I'm trimming my armhole. So I just retrimmed the armhole. And then I opened the side of the dress. I did not open it completely, I just opened just small, so I'll be able to use my bias to pipe the armhole and the neck. And after I was done, I went ahead to close the sides that I opened. So moving on to the design in front, the wideness, I folded my fabric into two, and the wideness of the fabric is 3, and the length I used 30 for that rope, so that I can connect from the back, because it's the rope that served as the sleeve that crossed our shoulder, and the long one came in front. So the wideness I was using 3, but I used 3.5, so that the half inches I can use it to turn the rope. So guys, I did not want this video to be too long. That was the reason why I had to forward this part, but I already uploaded the video on how I made the flower step by step, so you can go and watch the video. It's available on my channel on how I made this flower for better understanding. So I'll just place the flower aside and I'll be working on the dress again. So I'll be putting the rope on the back, and I'll be pinning it. I'll pin it from the back. You just see how I'm putting the rope at the back. Now I'm going to measure. You remember we cut out 6 inches when we measured from the shoulder to our chest line. We used 6 inches. So now we are going to be replacing the 6 inches here. So I'll be measuring from the shoulder now to the 6 inches that we cut out. So when I get the 6 inches, I will just pin my rope there too. I'll just pin it, and I'll do the same thing to the other side, and I'll just go ahead to sew all of them. I'll sew the front down to the fabric, to the dress, and also sew the back also to the dress. So I've gone ahead to sew the rope to the dress. As you can see, went ahead to sew the rope to the dress, and after that I'll be taking my flower now, and I'll be putting it on the side that I want. If it's the right side, if it's the left side, depends on what you want. So I use the candy gum also to gum the flower to the side that I want. And our dress is ready, guys. Look how beautiful it is. So do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscription button if you find this video helpful, and also leave a comment below if you prefer the first one or this very one. Bye. See you in the next video.